Hello everybody, welcome back to Savor the Goods at Home. I'm Ruthie Landelius with Black Fig Food, and today's bite-sized tip will be on how to cut an avocado. Before you get started, you'll want to make sure you've got a rag underneath your cutting board so that it keeps it from slipping and sliding around. You'll just insert your knife and cut all around the edge. Twist. Voila. To remove the pit, you'll want to grab it with your knife, twist, and the pit comes right out. So what I like to do is add a small little rag and just go along and score the inside of the avocado. Once you finish scoring the avocado, you'll grab your spoon and just slowly scoop it out. And there you have your sliced avocado. Another way that you can cut your avocado is you scoop it out first in one whole piece, set it down on your cutting board, and then just score it with your knife like so, and you've got beautiful avocado for yourself. And that is your bite-sized tip for today. Thank you again for watching, and for more great content, please check out your Panhandle PBS station and check me out at blackfigfood.com.